Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. It's a Sunday evening out in Kenya, and this Jam Tour is in our Ghana hat, and I am in my Ghana shirt. So we're just going out. In Jamaica, what we'll do on a Sunday video, we'll go to a place called Devon House to buy ice cream and you eat and chill out, and you know what I mean, just a Sunday evening, see a lot of people in the park and stuff.
To chat.
Emancipation Park and stuff.
Also so here people go to Uhuru Park.
Uhuru Park.
Yeah.
Okay. So Uhuru Park, you'll go to Uhuru Park.
Uhuru Park. Well, not everybody. To be honest, it's a different class of people.
Yeah.
But in Jamaica, the culture is different, of course, from here.
Yeah, in Jamaica, it's like a Sunday is like a chill day. You know what I mean? You always go out for an evening walk and stuff. You know what I mean? It's just like that in Jamaica. So I guess, you know what I mean, as you guys know, the Jamaicans' culture is very strong.
Very.
So anyway you're going to the world, you still want to do the same thing like what you do in Jamaica. Yeah. Same thing like what you do in Jamaica, you want to do when you go out family. So it's just what it is. So what we're going to do now, so we want to go to a supermarket called Naivas, and maybe I want to get a piece of cake or something, right? So which one we're going to do first? We're going to go to Naivas and come back.
Yes, that I come and sit back and enjoy my cake.
Then we come back and eat.
As Hamesh won't let me eat my cake.
You know, Hamesh is not with us.
Yeah.
Hamesh is not with us.
He's sleeping. I've left him sleeping.
Yeah, family, it's a Sunday evening chill out. And as you can see, the sun is going down. As you can see, so we just wanna just come out and have a little, you know what I mean? Have a little, you know, little time.
Yeah.
We'll show you guys around Kenya what it looks like on a Sunday evening. So let's show you what it looks like on a Sunday evening. Let's show you what it looks like on a Sunday evening.
Yeah, I'm trying not to do that. Yeah. We'll have to lift my hand now.
So as you can see guys, the sun is going down.
Down, down, down. But it's not so visible because of the thing.
Yeah, we have a little dry weather here. It's not so visible.
Yeah.
But as you can see, the sun is there. What time is it now?
Maybe 5.
Maybe 5.
He told me I'm a good weather forecaster. Actually, it's 5.
It's 5. Wow.
Yeah.
You always know to check the time good.
Yes, I do. Yeah, that's the sun going down.
Okay. So this is Sunday evening.
Yeah.
In Kenya.
People are out to eat nyama choma. All these cars have been parked here. People are eating nyama choma on this side on my left.
Yeah, people going to relax and chill.
Ladies are walking in, dressed in
drink beer and all kind of thing.
Come to meet their sponsors.
Music playing and stuff.
Yeah.
Look at the sun, family. This is what it looks like on a Sunday evening in the Kenya, family.
How do I put it that I don't have to lift my hand so hard? Because when I put like this, the dashboard is showing.
I can't stop it.
Matatu is simple. Passengers.
Sunday evening run. Choma.
to be honest, you see when we used to buy, what's the name?
Yeah.
Buy from. Because quick much you find that huge lines, those people.
Sell fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, family. So we just come back from Nivers. Just hanging line. We try to get.
Just washing things.
Just for washing things, you know what I mean. The boys them playing football, messing up the clothes. So we have to make a new line. So that's how we come to Nivers to get. But this is what the shopping center look like. As you can see, that's Nivers there. It's a big place. It's a place where people come and shop and do their stuff. This is Keru from Jam Tours Africa family. Like, share and comment on the video. Yeah, family, so we're actually heading up to Cake City. Miss Jam Tours love cake. I tell her all the while that cake I'm gonna make her belly ache. So we have a place called Cake City family. It's a new place, so Miss Jam Tours like to get her cake. It's Sunday evening. Yeah. And in Jamaica we'll be eating ice cream. Yeah? So Cake City. Which one you want to try today? Blueberry. And what about the cookie? You say you want to try the cookie? The cookie is nice.
Yeah, I'm suspecting that.
You guys don't sell ice cream. You what? Oh, you gotta bring coffee now. I think ice cream would be a good pick. Because, you know what I mean? Ice cream just go good with. So you want the blueberry sweet, that one? Chocolate butter. Which one you say we must try? The chocolate chip? Ginger. We don't smell like ginger.
Yeah. That's why I ever.
How many cookies come in it?
How many cookies are inside?
About 10 to 12.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get this blueberry, your favorite.
This is okay too.
This is will buy Amish cake for his birthday. His 1 year birthday. We're just sampling the cakes. kg. That's a kg? Yeah, I think 1.5 is better. So how big it is. Cakes. Yeah?
Right now, no, because we're actually closing.
No, not right now, like on that end of the back.
Yeah.
Ah, alright. So,
Cakes. Tea.
yeah.
Yeah, this one. What them say, sweetie? These are the cones.
For 600.
Ah, which one you want? Take one of these.
How much is for that? This is 600.
So which one you rather, sweetie? You want this big one? Which one? You take the one you have the chocolate top.
The chocolate top. You add 150 on top of the 600.
Ah, for the sticks.
Yeah.
So which flavor you want?
What's that?
Cake butter. Mint. French vanilla.
Head which is really. What of it? See, you can pick. Yeah. 2, yeah? Ah.
Take this some the French vanilla, sweetie.
Vanilla. Alright.
French vanilla.
French vanilla. French vanilla.
This one.
This is. I think it's there.
You want French vanilla or what?
That's vanilla.
Yeah. You don't want the chocolate inside. You don't want the chocolate.
This one is vanilla with chocolate, right? Vanilla with chocolate, yeah.
It is.
You can put the 2. There's no caramel with the chocolate, yeah.
Oh, it is. Just then recycle the spoons. Cold stone. Okay, that's why they call it cold stone. It's an a spoon. Take away. Yeah, family, so we just get back from Surrey Center. Miss Jam Tours have our cold stone.
Yeah.
Cold stone make your dough, make your moan.
One of the best, guy.
So they said this is the best ice cream in Kenya.
Yes, if you're not bought ice cream from Cold Stone by your boyfriend or husband, you brought the regular one from the blood clot supermarkets. You don't feel like.
What if we can compete?
Look at the setup.
What if we can compete with Devon House ice cream in Jamaica? You feel so?
Hey, I need to go and visit.
You need to try Devon House and compare with Cold Stone. Cold Stone make your moan and groan.
This is how we like it.
Oh, this is how you like it, ice cream. Yeah, family, so.
Sweet matter.
Yeah, family, so we just get back from DHL, pick up a few stuff. Miss Jam Tours, she want ice cream, she get ice cream. So we're gonna head on to Cafe Mega, see if we can pick up our kettle. So let's go. Yeah, family, so I bought this coconut chips in Cafe. And what Miss Jam Tours is doing, she's asking me to put the coconut chip on our ice cream.
And see, I'm already
So this is the best ice cream in Kenya. So you put it on it like this, family. So nice.
Yeah. It's
like,
the best I've tasted.
Seems like you know that I was gonna buy ice cream.
It's
So
like
family, if you come to Kenya, you can try Cold Stone. If you're an ice cream lover.
Not buying these ice creams that are so stale in the fridge.
Okay. I think this ice cream really go fast. People eat it a lot.
Yeah. And on Sunday,
Yeah.
there's a day we came. I was there and I told you, look at how this ice cream place is full.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so on Sunday, family will be in
Sunday's ice cream day.
ice cream day in Jamaica, Devon House.
That's not like where rich people go.
Yeah, that uptown Jamaica go to Devon House. Even lower class Jamaica go to Devon House too. But it's like a special day for them. It's like something they don't have to get up and plan for. Well, like when you're like middle class and uptown, it's a regular thing for you to just go. It's nothing big. Yeah, family. So this, I think this compete with Devon House ice cream. So when you go to Jamaica, you'll try Devon House, right?
Yeah. Which one tastes better now that you've tasted Devon House?
Well, I like Devon House.
Don't like our cold stone. Don't like how our stone is cold.
But why don't call it cold stone? Because they put it on that thing.
Akibi.
They put it on that thing to peel it off.
Oh.
Yeah, family, so we're stuck in the car park enjoying a little ice cream before we go on to Cafe Omega.
one night, I know.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, family. So Miss Jam Store is actually enjoying her cake.
I'm almost finishing it.
Almost finishing her cake from the Cake City family. So I just want to share what we'll do on a Sunday evening. Either go out to eat ice cream or cake, or you just go out and just chill in the park. Yeah, Sunday evening just a chill. You know what I mean? You know. So we just want to share that with you. We're in Kenya, so we're still trying to live up to the Jamaican culture. On a Sunday evening, you still go and chill and eat ice cream.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. Like, share, and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts.